Hello friends, welcome back on the RCA channel. How are you all? Hope all of you are safe and healthy. Friends, are you worried about the law and ethics of the CMA intermediate examination? If yes, then relax and watch this video till end. Because in this video we are trying to draft a strategy for the clearing the law and ethics paper into CMA examination paper of CMA intermediate. But before going to forward, I have one quote for you, and that quote is tomorrow belongs to people who prepare today. See friends, planning is play a very important role in your preparation. If you don't plan your study, then you are not able to clear CMA intermediate examination in first attempt. This is my personal experience friends. I was take 3 attempt to clear second group of CMA intermediate examination and 2 attempt to clear first group of the CMA intermediate. I was take 2 attempt of the clearing first group because of the subject of law. And in law, I will make some minor mistake that will be we discuss in our upcoming video. So please stay connected with this video till end. So I recommend to all of you, please make proper planning before the study of the any paper of CMA intermediate examination. And yes guys, we provide the strategies for all subject of the CMA intermediate examination one by one. So please stay tuned with us on YouTube, and we are also active on Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, Facebook. Please stay connected with us on our various platforms so you can never miss any notification from the RCA channel. Link of all that social medias are provided into description box. Please click on that link and just join with us. Guys, one more thing, when I was doing preparation for CMA final, before doing preparation, I was make detailed plan about the study of CMA final examination. And believe me guys, I was clear my CMA final in first attempt. Now option is in your hand. Either you do study with the proper planning or you do study without the planning. Now friends, let us find out the strategy that should be followed while preparing for law and ethics subject of CMA intermediate examination. Friends, in description box I am provide the link of the strategy sheet for the paper number 6 of CMA intermediate examination. In that sheet you will get the topics that asked during the last 6 attempt, and from that sheet you will also do the planning or strategy for preparation of that subject. Friends, I also want to share some important aspect about the solving the question into exam paper. Remember friends, you are required to write only the sufficient answer to question, because if you add some point in your answer part which are repeated or are not relevant to the question, then examiner will not give a single mark to you. Friends, this thing happened with me, and due to this mistake I faced the failure in first group of the CMA intermediate examination in first time. Because I remember that I unnecessarily pull the answer of the question and try to fill the pages of the answer by writing and writing and writing only. But this is not a professional attitude to write a exam paper of the CMA intermediate examination. Because if any one question are asked for the 10 mark and we need to write only 5 lines about that, then we should write only 5 lines. We not required to pull the answer of the question and fill the 10 pages of that answer. No, it is very wrong attitude to write the exam paper. I am sure guys who are fail into CMA intermediate examination, specifically in law subject, they are also follow this mistake, follow this pattern to write the exam paper. So my recommendation is that please write the answer that is relevant to that question, not try to pull the answer. So in simple word, be professional and write the appropriate point that should be strictly related with your question. Now friends, we discussed some important topic on which you should get the compulsory question into examination. Contract Act. You will get the question on this topic into examination in question number 2. Second is Companies Act. You will get the question on this topic into examination in question number 5 and question number 6. And last is ethics part. You will get the question on this topic into examination in question number 7. So friends, from the above, we also get the some ideas about the marks. See friends, in examination question number 2 are asked on the Contract Act, and this question was asked for 15 marks. Next, question number 5 and question number 6, that is related with the Companies Act and asked for, and this question was asked into examination for 30 marks. And last one, that is question number 7. In that question, either bit A or bit B are asked on the ethics, and that was asked for 7 to 8 marks into examination. So guys, if we aggregate all this mark, we get the 52 to 53 marks into examination by just doing Contract Act, Ethics and Companies Act. And one more thing, I was not counted the mark of the question number 1 of the question paper, that is related with the MCQ. And if we count the approximately 20 mark from that question, then you are able to solve the 72 to 73 marks question paper into examination by just doing Company Act, Ethics and Contract Act, and you are easily pass into examination by solving this question only. But friends, remember that other topic and other act also its own importance, so you are also do all other remaining chapters as well. Part of the Industrial Act are also important to us, so my recommendation is that you are also do all remaining part also, because that act are also helpful us for our professional career. So guys, I recommend you the flow of the study, and if you do the study in that flow, you will be able to crack the CMA examination paper number 6 of the group 1 in first attempt. This is my guarantee to you, friends. Firstly, you do the Companies Act, that is most important topic, and that was asked into examination for minimum 30 marks. This is average of last 6 exams. If you find the sheet into description box, you will get the idea of this topic. Secondly, you do the Contract Act, and this act was also asked for 15 mark into examination from last 6 attempts. Thirdly, you do Ethics. Ethics was asked for the 7 to 8 marks into examination from last 6 attempts. This was the trend of the examination for these 3 topics. Now fourthly, you do all remaining parts so that you are able to attend the MCQ type question, able to attend the question number 8. In that question, any question are asked from the any topic. So your main target should be the Companies Act, Contract Act and Ethics. That was nearly asked for 50 to 53 marks into examination. Now friends, I sum up my video here and hope this video will help you in your preparation for the paper number 6. Friends, if you have any query in this regards, please do comment into comment section. We will definitely help you for the resolving your queries. Please do subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for getting the latest update like this. Thank you for the watching video, and take care of yourself and your family and your friends. Thank you for watching video, and please share this video with your friends so they can also get benefit from this video. Thank you guys. Thank you for the watching video.